Imagine gliding through the city streets or conquering rugged trails in a masterpiece of British engineering. The 2026-2027 Range Rover, in a striking yellow hue, commands attention like no other. This vibrant shade, available through SV Bespoke options, transforms the iconic silhouette into a bold statement of individuality. It's not just a color, it's a declaration of confidence, catching the sunlight and turning every drive into a spectacle. The sleek lines of the fifth-generation design, refined for these model years, blend timeless elegance with subtle modern updates, including sharper front fascias and enhanced rear detailing that accentuate its commanding presence. As you approach this yellow Range Rover, its presence is undeniable. The body gleams with premium metallic finishes, highlighting the effortless proportions that have defined Range Rover for decades. Aerodynamic contours reduce drag while maintaining that unmistakable road stance. LED headlights pierce through any condition with adaptive intelligence, while the signature grille and floating roof design create an aura of sophistication. In this radiant yellow, it stands out whether parked at an exclusive event or navigating urban landscapes, embodying luxury that refuses to blend into the background. Step inside, and you're enveloped in a world of unparalleled refinement. The cabin features hand-selected leathers, sustainable materials, and exquisite craftsmanship that elevate every journey. SV models come with haptic body and sole seats, delivering immersive vibrations synced to your audio for a multi-sensory experience. Rear passengers enjoy executive seating with reclining functions, massage capabilities, and club tables for ultimate comfort on long hauls. The panoramic digital displays integrate seamlessly, offering intuitive controls for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Ambient lighting casts a warm glow, complementing the vibrant exterior and creating an oasis of tranquility. Performance lies at the heart of this Range Rover. Powerful engine options, including the potent V8 and SV trims, delivering around 600 horsepower, provide effortless acceleration from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. It surges forward with poise and precision. Mild hybrid technology enhances efficiency without compromising power, while the advanced air suspension glides over imperfections, delivering a magic carpet ride. Whether merging onto highways or exploring off-road paths, Terrain Response 2 system adapts instantly to any surface: mud, sand, snow, or rock. Electronic air suspension and all-wheel drive ensure supreme capability, wading through water up to impressive depths with confidence. This yellow Range Rover isn't just for show, it's built for adventure. Advanced off-road technologies like ClearSight Ground View give you a virtual view beneath the vehicle, helping navigate tricky obstacles. The 2026-2027 updates bring even more refined dynamics, with upgraded stability systems and responsive steering that make every maneuver feel intuitive. Towing capacity remains robust for trailers, boats, or equipment, proving its versatility beyond luxury transport. Yet inside, silence reigns supreme, thanks to exceptional noise insulation, allowing conversations or your favorite playlist to shine through the Meridian sound system. Technology defines the modern experience. The latest PV Pro infotainment offers crisp, responsive interfaces with over-the-air updates, keeping features fresh. Voice commands respond naturally, while driver assistance systems provide adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and 360-degree cameras for effortless parking and maneuvering. Safety innovations include enhanced emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, giving peace of mind in any scenario. For those seeking ultimate personalization, SV Bespoke allows tailoring every detail, from interior stitching to exterior accents, making your yellow Range Rover truly one of a kind. Picture yourself behind the wheel on a coastal road at sunset. The yellow body reflects golden hues, merging with the environment in a poetic display. Powerful yet refined, it accelerates smoothly, hugging curves with athletic grace. Switch to off-road mode, and it transforms into an explorer, climbing hills and forging paths where others dare not go. Family trips become luxurious escapes, with ample space and long wheelbase options for passengers and cargo alike. Entertainment screens keep rear occupants engaged, while climate control zones ensure everyone travels in perfect comfort. Sustainability meets opulence in this model year. Land Rover's commitment to responsible luxury includes eco-friendly materials and efficient powertrains, including plug-in hybrid variants that deliver impressive electric-only range for shorter commutes. The 2027 Range Rover balances performance with lower emissions, appealing to the conscious driver who demands excellence. Its durability ensures it lasts for years, retaining value as a timeless icon. Owners rave about the commanding view. From the elevated seating position, the effortless way it handles daily drives or epic journeys. In bustling cities, it exudes status. On mountain passes, it delivers thrill. The yellow finish, inspired by bespoke creations like Aurora. Yellow symbolizes energy and optimism, a perfect match for those who live boldly. Every detail, from illuminated tread plates to premium audio, reinforces that this is more than transportation. It's an experience, whether cruising highways, attending galas, or venturing into nature. The 2027 Range Rover in yellow redefines what a luxury SUV can be. It combines heritage with innovation, capability with comfort, and exclusivity with accessibility. This vehicle doesn't just meet expectations, it surpasses them, creating memories on every mile. Feel the power, embrace the luxury, and discover freedom in motion like never before. The Range Rover legacy continues, shining brighter than ever in this vibrant, unforgettable shade.